Premium buffalo leather begins on world-class farms.
From world-class buffalo farms to luxury leather products, every creation reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
Automation ensures healthy buffaloes every day.
Carabao buffaloes are valued across Southeast Asia for their strength and resilience.
Murrah buffaloes are famous for their premium quality worldwide.
Mediterranean buffaloes are prized for premium dairy and leather.
Nili Ravi buffaloes are renowned for their strength and quality. Jafarabadi buffaloes are among the largest breeds in the world. Premium leather begins with healthy buffaloes. Innovation, craftsmanship, and luxury come together in one extraordinary factory. One of the world's largest buffalo leather factories.
Advanced automation powers large-scale production.
Luxury buffalo leather products are shipped worldwide.
Thousands of luxury products are prepared for global markets. Buffalo leather is crafted into elegant luxury handbags. From jackets to boots, buffalo leather defines luxury. Strong buffalo leather creates premium luxury belts. Premium wallets showcase the strength of buffalo leather. Buffalo leather is trusted for premium footwear.
Welcome to the world's most advanced luxury buffalo leather jacket factory.
Every buffalo passes strict health inspections. Safe transportation protects quality from the very beginning. The journey continues inside a world-class leather factory.
Every premium hide begins with careful inspection. Precision equipment prepares every hide with accuracy. Thorough cleaning prepares the leather for processing.
Uniform thickness creates premium quality leather.
Tanning transforms raw hide into premium leather.
Controlled drying preserves strength and softness. Softness defines luxury leather.
Only flawless leather moves forward. Rich color brings premium leather to life. Premium leather is ready for jacket production. Every masterpiece begins with precision design. Digital patterns ensure perfect accuracy. Precision cutting eliminates every imperfection.
Skilled craftsmanship completes every luxury jacket. Luxury is defined by every detail. Soft inner lining adds lasting comfort. Premium hardware completes the luxury design. Only flawless jackets earn final approval. Steam finishing perfects every jacket. Every jacket is crafted for timeless luxury. Every jacket is prepared with exceptional care. Premium protection preserves luxury quality. Elegant packaging reflects premium craftsmanship. Every package is prepared for worldwide delivery. Finished jackets are ready for global distribution. Automation prepares every shipment with precision. Every shipment is secured for global export. From premium buffalo leather to timeless luxury, every jacket is crafted to perfection. Luxury reaches customers around the world. Luxury leather is celebrated in Turkey. Premium leather fashion reaches Pakistan. Luxury buffalo leather is appreciated around the Muslim world. Premium craftsmanship is admired across the UAE. Luxury buffalo leather reaches customers in Saudi Arabia. Spotless conveyors maintain world-class quality. A clean factory reflects premium craftsmanship. The factory is ready to craft the next luxury collection. Every production line passes a final inspection. Luxury craftsmanship begins its global journey.